In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Google Files or Files by Google on your Android phone. So let's say I have this. I can go to my Play Store and just search for Files by Google, and you can see it over here. You can just go ahead and click to open. Some phones, it comes with it pre-installed. So this is going to give you an analysis of your phone, categories, the sizings, and then you can be able to select and delete some things. This is internal storage. This is browse storage. Okay, so you can be able to select on any of the categories. Or you'll be able to see options, and then you can select different files and delete if you want to. You can select on different files and have them deleted. Or files to trash, yes. Okay, so it's very easy for you to use this feature to enable to free up spaces. This is for this, and then you can check out your downloads and you can free up the spaces as well. Then select any of the videos, and then you can just go ahead and click on delete over here, and you'll be deleted to your trash. So Files gives you the opportunity to manage and delete and free up spaces within your phone. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.